All right, let's start off with GU. This is basically my breakdown for this upcoming week. We're gonna start with the daily, as we can see. Supports. So that support, all of these supports are broken. Heavy bearish flow. Heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Really 5. We count this one. So 5 days bearish. Cool. So of course we're looking for sales. Now we go to H4. As we can see, this support was broken. This support was broken right here. This support was broken. Only thing I'm looking in this support, only thing I'm looking for is some sort of retracement. Come back here, continue to push back down, or can go all the way up here, push back down. However it wants to go about that, it's gonna go about that. But I'm looking for sales. Preferably, I'm just waiting for some sort of a retrace. And this right here, this is my take profit. This is what I'm anticipating price to drop down to sometime this week. UJ, as you can see, we had this massive bearish flow all the way down, created some support. Cool, right here, resistance, retested support again. This was broken. Same thing, I'm just waiting for some sort of a retrace, come back down, ultimately to push right back up to this area right here. Plain and simple, that's all I'm looking for. And even if we go down to the daily, it did break that support, retested it, cool, failed to break below. It broke above this. So this move right here, this is my indication. The only thing I'm just waiting for the market to correct, to continue pushing down. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. So some sort of a push down, then to ultimately push back up. Let's go to gold. Same thing with gold. As we can see, this was our support, broke down, made a lower high, broke right back above, and it couldn't continue pushing up. So as we can see, support, it was in this range. Now if we look right here, cool, made this lower high, and then it just dropped. So the only thing I'm waiting for, price creates some sort of a lower high, and then I would love to see price come to this area right here. So that's pretty much all I'm waiting for. But overall, bearish. I'm just looking for sales. Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick. All right, so if we look at Bitcoin, as you can see, we were pushing up, and then we did create a support. Ultimately, ended up breaking that support. And you can see it a lot clearer right here. Broke the support right here. Based off this, it broke it, came up lower high, ultimately continued selling. So I'm really looking for price to drop all the way down to this area around 75, 500-ish area, 400-ish area. Last but not least, Ethereum. You can see Ethereum been bearish. Lower high, lower high. I'm just waiting for price to create another lower high. But as you can see, it has built up some bullish structure though. So it really is within this range. I will wait for price to break below that support first to continue looking for sales. And if I do look, if it does break that, then ultimately I would like for price to come like down here around 2044 area. Other than that, everything is just looking very bearish. So I want to look for nothing but sales. Once again, this is my breakdown for, May 17th all the way up to, what is that, the 22nd? Yeah, thank you for tuning in.